Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Season 1 LB shrimp and get 8 Oz pasta boiling in heavily salted water so it develops flavor. While it cooks, mince 3 cloves garlic and measure 1/2 cup butter and 1/4 cup white wine. Having ingredients pre-measured prevents overcooking. Once the pasta is nearly al dente, reserve 1 cup pasta water. This liquid creates your sauce emulsion later. Make sure to pat shrimp dry. Moisture prevents a proper sear and keeps the sauce from thinning. You now build the sauce. Heat a pan until hot and sear shrimp 30-60 seconds per side so they brown but stay tender. Remove them early. Next, lower heat and melt 1/2 cup butter. Sauté the minced garlic until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then deglaze with 1/4 cup white wine and reduce by half to concentrate flavor. Once reduced, add lemon juice and about 1/4 cup reserved pasta water to loosen the sauce. Stir in chopped parsley, then return shrimp to finish cooking gently in the sauce. You finish by tossing the drained 8 Oz pasta with the pan sauce off heat so the emulsion holds. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup reserved pasta water until the texture coats the noodle. Make sure to stir in 1 tablespoon lemon zest and adjust seasoning with cracked black pepper and salt. Add grated Parmesan if you like richness. If the sauce separates or is too thin, whisk in 1 tablespoon cold butter or 1 to 2 tablespoons cream to re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.